Hello children, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn second session of the lesson PT Usha from the unit 7. Usha the Golden Girl. Children, do you like sports and games? Good. Sports make us physically strong and they enhances sportiveness and refreshes our mind. See this picture children? What is the difference between sports and games? Yes, a sport limits to only an individual's skill or performance, whereas games involves more than one person. Today we are going to learn about PT Usha, who won many gold and silver medals in running race. Before that, we shall know something about the origin of running as a sport. Running was officially born as a sport in 776 BC in ancient Greece. Children, do you know the benefits of running? Yes. Running helps us to build strong bones as it is a weight bearing exercise. It strengthens muscles and improves cardiovascular fitness. And it also improves mental health and boosts your confidence. Okay, children? Observe this pic, children, from our textbook. Do you recognize her? Yes, she is none other than P.T. Usha. Her full name is Pilavulla Kandi Tekka Perambal Usha, a great athlete from Kerala state. P.T. Usha, the golden girl of India, was born on 20th May 1964 as a second daughter of Paithal and Lakshmi Amma in Payoli, a village in Kozhikode district of Kerala. In 1973, when she was in her 6th class, the physical education teacher Balakrishnan noticed that there was an instinctive athlete in PT Usha. He started giving her special coaching. In 1975, at the age of 11, she participated in her first competition, sub-junior district meet. She took part in 4 events and she stood first in all 4. She was also the individual champion at the meet. In our today's part of session, we shall read about her career and the awards and the medals which she received. Okay? Before that, we shall know the meanings of some difficult words which we come across in the lesson. In glossary part. Glossary. Imagination. Ability of the mind to be creative. Meticulous. Careful attention to every detail. Earnest. Serious. Vastness. Very great extent or size. Athletics. A person who is proficient in sports. Serenity. Calmness. Enhance. To make greater or better. Achievements. A thing done successfully with effort. Origin. Point or place where something begins. Immense. Large or great. Remote. Situated far from main centers of population. Children, it's time to reading the text part. So, I'm going to read the lesson. Listen carefully and observe the pronunciation. Academically, Usha was an extremely bright student. She was always amongst the top three in her class and was popular with her teachers. She passed her standard 7th exams with a first class grade. Just then, the government of Kerala announced a separate sports division for girls at Kannur, a town with special facilities for sports in addition to regular studies. Usha joined the sports division at Kannur to improve her sports talent. She was left in the safe hands of C.H. Paithal, the headmaster of the school. It was at Kannur that another great master fired her imagination so much that together they achieved the impossible. His name was Madhavan Nambiar. By 1977, Usha and Nambiar were inseparable. Nambiar had found the word he had been waiting for all his life, and Usha had found her guru. Nambiar would, from now on, care for her like a father. Usha's meticulous, systematic training began in earnest. Usha has a regular training run on the beach of Paioli. She preferred to be trained alone, for the vastness of the beach gave her a sense of freedom. She ran joyfully and freely, and she derived her strength from the serenity and peace of her beloved Kerala surroundings. Nambiar introduced his sand training in her program to enhance the performance in the athletics just after the 1982 New Delhi Asian Games. Sand training had enhanced the performance of many great athletics, from Edwin Moses to top flight Indian athletes like Milkha Singh and Sriram Singh. Usha's athletic achievements are well known to almost all Indians. Two silver medals in 1982 New Delhi Asian Games, fourth place in the 400 meters at 1984 Jakarta Asian Meet, and four golds and one silver at 1986 Asian Games in Seoul. PT Usha's story is that of a gifted child from humble origins achieving international success through sheer dedication and immense hard work. Never in the history of independent India has a youngster from a remote background town of rural origin caught the imagination of youth in particular and the public in general as Usha has, said a professor of English in Usha's hometown. Children, let us do some language work in vocabulary part. Antonyms. Antonyms means opposite meaning of given word. Here I have taken some sentences from the text, and we have to find the opposite of underlined word. See here the first sentence. Usha had a regular training run on the beach of Paioli. Here the underlined word is regular and its opposite is irregular. The second one, PT Usha's story is of a gifted child from humble origins achieving international success. Here, the underlined word is humble and its opposite is rude. In the third one, by 1977, Usha and Nambiar were inseparable, and the underlined word is inseparable and its opposite is separable. Children, what are sports? A sport limit to only an individual skill, whereas games means games involves more than one person. So here is a list of some sports and games, children. Observe: sports, running, skipping, swimming, chess, motor racing, and these are all comes under sports. Whereas volleyball, cricket, badminton, table tennis, soccer, baseball, caroms, etc. comes under games. Do you like to play all these sports, children? Good. Children, hope you understood the lesson. So now it's time to comprehension. That is question and answers. Let us see some question and answers. Okay. See the first one. How was Usha in her studies? The answer is Usha was very bright in her studies. She was always among the top 3 in her class. She passed her 7th class exams with first class grade. The second question. How does Usha's life inspire the young girls of our country? The answer is Usha had humble origins. She looked weak and small, yet her achievements attracted international attention. Thus, she inspired the young girls of our country. See the third question, children. What qualities made Usha a great in athletics? Answer is Usha's regular practice, dedication, immense hard work, and systematic training made her great in athletics. The last question. List the athletic achievements of PT Usha. The answer is PT Usha achieved 2 silver medals in New Delhi Asian Games, 4th place at Jakarta Asian Meet, 4 gold and 1 silver medals at Asian Games in Seoul. Okay, children, hope you understood the lesson and we shall meet again in our next session. Thank you.